Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird that you will find everywhere except high heels. The plain Prinia. The plain Prinia, also known as the plain Wren-Warbler or white-browed Wren-Warbler, is a species of crystacolic warbler. A common Priniya with a drab grey-brown plumage that varies in tone across its range. It is a resident breeder from Pakistan and India to South China and Southeast Asia. Note the pale white eyebrow and the long tail that appears as if it's loosely attached to the body. Breeding birds have a black bill and a shorter tail. Common in various habitats, especially farms and wetlands, but avoids woodlands with a canopy. A somewhat bold species, it often skulks in the undergrowth but sings from an exposed perches. It was formerly included in the tawny-flanked Priniya, resident in Africa south of the Sahara. The two are now usually considered to be separate species. Their calls are like locally named Sarala Prinia. I have not seen the plain Prinia. This is not a picture of Africa. There is a safari park in Sri Lanka called Witteugelprinia where the animals roam free while we are in a caged vehicle. You get to see lions, Bengali tigers, elephants, and many other animals. Most of them are very close.